Welcome to Discovering the Vegas Real Estate Market with Jason Tomei, delivering knowledge, expertise, and trust.
If home price headlines have you second-guessing your decision to sell, here's what you need to know. This graph shows home price growth since 2019. Home prices peaked during the pandemic, and the green bars confirm that price growth has slowed down over the past few months. But here's the thing. Even though home prices are moderating, the last bar on the right tells us that home values are still up almost 8% nationally on a year-over-year basis. And that's a lot more than the 3 to 4% growth we're used to seeing in a more normal year like 2019. Why is this important to know? While you may not be able to capitalize on the 20% appreciation that your neighbors got when they sold last spring, a 10% gain is still dramatic compared to a more normal year, and that's a win for you. If you have any questions about home prices in our area, I can help. That way you can make an informed decision about your next move.
Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe and share this video to your favorite social media platforms.